Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Geopolitics YouTube channel, and as you can see, the notification of 2021 Civil Services Examination is released. It's released on 4th of March, it means today, and the total number of vacancies is 712. We will go through all the detailed notification today, but most important point is that we are going to come with many more initiatives for your Civil Services Examination this year. So stay with us, subscribe this channel, join our groups on Telegram and Facebook, and you will get free PDFs and PPT and videos on civil service examination. So now seeing this notification, if you see then from which site you will apply this examination, then the official site name is upsconline.nic.in. I again repeat, upsconline.nic.in. This is the official site. If we see what is the last date, then the last date is 24th March 2021 till 6 p.m. I again repeat, till 6 p.m. This is very important. Most of you will think that this is up to 12 o'clock, but no, it's up to 6 p.m. So I urge you all to fill this form in next 1 week. Why I am urging you, I will tell you in later part of this video, but please have faith in me and fill this form in next 1 week itself. If we see what are the services there in this examination, then you will find out that there is Indian Administrative Service, Foreign Service, Police Service, Revenue Service, Civil Account Service, and many other n number of services are present, but sadly the number of seats are reducing year by year. As you can see here, the official number is 712, which include 22 vacancies reserved for person with benchmark disability category. That means effectively you all, or I should say that most of you, will fight on 690 seats. There is total 712 seats, and we will reduce 22 seats of PWD peoples because most of you will not fight on that seats. So effectively you will fight on 690 seats. So brace up yourself for that kind of preparation in which you have to fight with 690 seats only. Moving forward in this notification, then most of you want to know the center of civil services examination. Here on your screen is the name of all the centers for the prelims examination, so you can choose your center according to your convenience. All the cities are on your screen. Similarly, if we see about the mains examination, then the center of civil services mains examination are on your screen. Now I told you that please apply the form in next 1 week itself, because see here it is clearly written that the center allotment of center will be on first apply first allot. So there are many centers, many cities where seats gets full. So to get your preference city, you have to first allot, you have to fill up your form as early as possible. Now if we see the criteria, then you know the nationality should be what, Indian citizen or subject of Nepal, citizen of India should be there, and all that criteria is written on your screen. If you want to go into deep detail, then the notification is in description box, you can go there. If we see about the age criteria, then age is from 21 years to 32 years for the general category, and similarly it will give relaxation for the other categories too. So these all are the basic fundamental of this notification, and these all are very much unchanged every year. So most of you would be aware of this, all these nuances of this notification. I'm giving you all a glance view of this notification. If you want a deep thorough reading of this notification, then go through this PDF in our description. Similarly, if we see about the minimum education qualification, then a candidate must hold a degree from any universities incorporated by Act. Means you have to be graduate to fill up the form of UPSC CSE 2021. That's all the gist of all these lines written there. If you are in final years, then too you can apply, but before mains you have to submit the proof that you have passed the examination. If you are in final year, then too you can fill up the form. If we see the number of attempts, then SC and ST category students will get unlimited number of attempts for this examination. OBC will get 9 attempts, person with disabilities will get 9 attempts. For the unreserved category students, the number of attempts is 6. If we see then female, SC, ST, person with disability, these peoples have not to submit any fee for applying this examination. Other students have to submit 100 rupees fee. Now if we see again, the last date is 24th March 2021. I have told you this many times that please fill up the form in next 1 week itself. So all you can see, these all are the greater details of disabilities, categories, reservations, other description details. If we see the syllabus of this examination, that is the most important thing, because the examination is most important thing after the filling up the form. So if we see the syllabus of this examination, then in prelims examination you can clearly see the first topic in pre-examination syllabus itself is current events of national and international importance, and that's where this channel can help you at a great length in tackling the questions in your prelims examination. From giving all your national and international important events, we will provide you here on this. So don't miss this opportunity. Join our social media groups and connect with us. Subscribe this channel, like, comment, and we will go great lengths to help you on any extent in this examination. Similarly, if we see about the mains examination, in mains examination at GS paper 2, you will find out that in syllabus it is clearly written that bilateral, regional and global grouping and agreements involving India or affecting India's interest. The other one is India and its neighborhood relations. If we see the other topics, then effect of policies and politics of developed and developing countries on India's interest and Indian diaspora. Last topic is important international institutions, agencies and fora, their structure, mandate. Our videos are focused on these topics itself. So join our social media groups, subscribe this channel, like, comment, share whatever issue you have, and both of us will come with solution of that issue. So that's all in this video. I again repeat, please fill up the form, join our channel. So that's all in this video. We wish you all a very enriching and energetic next 4 months preparation and pray for your success.